Hello everybody, welcome to Digital Painting and Photography channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. Well, art class, one of the assignment when I was in art school. Well, this is my subject and I made this pencil drawing type image, but I used the lens filter when I was shooting this image, so it's out of focus, not much sharp lines. Well, but today colorize this image, so it doesn't matter if it's the sharp line or not. Anyways, well, let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna add layer and change blend mode to color as always, and let's paint it on this. Today I want to paint some more soft image, or of course nice skin tone first, then maybe overall soft image. That's what I'm gonna try to do. Then after that I don't know if I'm gonna make oil paint like or some light image, some sketching type. I don't know. Anyways, concentrate to paint today. Well, check this nice skin tone first. So airbrushing to medium blend. Nice window light, I think, and I think I used diffusion filter or something to kind of foggy image, soft touch. I'm gonna paint overall image first, and kind of soft image overall. So let's see. Paint overall soft touch image first, and I think what I can feel from that. Overall colors are right. Now I'm gonna go more details, and well, that's interesting. Okay, I go more yellowish. Overall soft image. Okay, how about this stool? Okay, I'm gonna use smudge tool now. Same type of the brush tool. Okay, using the smudge tool to blend in. No edge. Just blend colors. Sort of effect is that lens filter, fog filter image. Let's see if I change this blend mode to normal. Let's see, maybe easy to see the blending like this area. Okay, pretty much done. Let's see. Change blend mode to color. Okay, now I'm gonna add a little bit more touch up. Let's see. Let me check it out with the normal blend. Okay, use the eraser tool, same brush texture. Alright, I think pretty much, but it's kinda muddy look. So I want to make this more clean look. So what I can do is, let me see, touch more overall reddish color on. Let's see. Okay, now I just want to try one more layer. Add in pinkish with the real soft blend. Soft brush. Let's see. This is normal blend now. Then change to color. Now tone down, opacity down to about 40 to 50. You can tell. Overlay, just touch vagina wish, maybe 40%. We see more. Well, maybe I should. Okay, touch. I'm gonna erase. Okay, now let me touch up. Real nice. Okay, add some nice pinkish color. Reddish. This is overlay. I gotta paint on here. Okay, now I just want to try colorize, fix this image, and let's see, change blend mode. Okay, I'm gonna make 3 layers together. Make group, then duplicate this group, then flatten this image. So I just fix one layer. Then these two, this group and this one layer is same thing, right? Okay, I'm gonna rename colorized one image. This is color on overlay 41%. Okay, I just want to see this group image is just combined to one layer. Now I'm gonna change this layer blend mode to look at this color burn. That's kind of cool, huh? Too much. Well, screen, overlay, touch contrast, huh? Add. Screen has just lightened up. Overlay. A little more contrast. Well, I guess that's it for today. Colorized and finished with pretty interesting, well, I would say a little bit impressive image. Well, this is original black and white image. I add color like so, and overall just color on. This is overlay effect, 40%, touch, reddish, warm on models, color. Then I fixed this group image. 3 layers got combined to get one more layer, then change opacity to 50. Blend mode is overlay to get this contrast. Well, this is it for colorize today. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I really appreciate for you guys' support, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work, and I'm gonna try to make some kind of, well, I don't know, maybe because this is dark, pretty thick image, so maybe making oil paint, or I may make illustration type image using this pencil drawing type image. Change blend mode to, let's see, like luminosity to get some subtle colors, making some interesting image. Next, again, this is overlay, pretty much contrast, huh? Well, this is for next. Turn it off. Well, thank you again, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.